Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you left me, a person who has a Citroen C4 1600e and has a problem with the engine of his car, a couple of weeks ago. The engine failure light appeared and since then the car has lost power, and he has realized that the turbo does not activate. They put it in the diagnostic machine in the workshop and it marked two failures. P0401, that is, EGR failure, and P0102 failure of the MAF sensor, the flow meter. They changed both the EGR and the MAF sensor, but everything remained the same. Then they changed the turbo solenoid valve and the vacuum tubes, but they can't find the problem. Let's see. I've already encountered this problem on a few occasions, especially in HDI engines. A while ago I made a video with similar failures, and look at it, nothing was broken in the end. The only problem, which is what I advise this person to do, is to clean the MAP sensor, clean it with a contact cleaner. Clean it well and put it back into the diagnostic machine, to see if the engine starts to work fine, and it lets all the faults be cleared, because in these engines, I have also seen it in others, but especially in these HDIs, the problem is that when the ECU detects an engine fault, sometimes it doesn't know about it. Where does that failure come from? And instead of blaming the MAP sensor, believe the values it is giving you, and start blaming all the other parts. So, my advice is to clean the sensor, that one, and specifically, in this model, it will also have the IAT sensor incorporated inside. Clean it well with an electrical contact cleaner. In the hole. Clean it well, reinstall it, and see if the problem has been solved in this way. This is how we have solved many problems ourselves. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.